This is Sejal Solanki. In this video, I will be providing the top psychology opportunities that you can avail in your undergrad. This video is going to be one such video that would be a turning point for psychology students. Trust me guys, it has taken a lot of research at my end to create this video. Before we begin this video, I would like to tell the disclaimer. I am nowhere concluding that this is the only way to avail these opportunities, and all the sources I have mentioned in this video are purely my research and are not at all sponsored. There are a lot of ways in which you can avail these opportunities. There is still a lot for me to figure out and learn. As I proceed with this journey, I will try to keep things transparent and cover it here on my channel and on LinkedIn as well. Do follow me there as well. Starting with the video, the first opportunity that you can avail is to be a research assistant in your undergrad. If you think it has to be offline, don't worry, it can be remote as well. Step number 1, follow Anushka Kumar. She is a research intern at Cambridge University and is currently studying psychology honors in LSR. She is in her final year. Also check her posts as well, and also the website written over here, www.anushkakumar.com. On her website, she has talked about she is a final year psychology honors student at Lady Shri Ram College and a research intern at the University of Cambridge, and also a research intern at the London School of Economics and Political Science. Had also done her research intern position in Ashoka University. And she has also talked about the process of applying for each positions. And she has talked about her experience. She has also talked about how to become a UX or UI research and design applicant. And she has given some more tips over here. These are her hyperlinks. You can check out that as well. You can also check out Nikita Ghodke on LinkedIn. She is a research assistant at Harvard University. This is her website named as www.nikitaghodke.com. She has also written over here that she was a research intern at the IIT Gandhinagar and University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA. So you can check out this as well. And she has also written some research plus outreach section, and this is what I was going to talk about. When you click over here, you will be directed to a new website named as devpsych journal club. If you scroll down a bit, you will get a Google form. Since I have filled up this form, you can also fill this form as well. It's about presenting a research or becoming a participant in it. They are working for a journal club which includes studies of infants and children aged 0 to 12 years. And they have talked about what they are going to do in this. They will present some research synopsis or presentations, monthly newsletters, and bi-monthly interactive sessions with experts. So this is a good opportunity to avail. I have provided the Excel sheet of Indian labs, but the credit for this goes to Nikita Ghodke and Pooja Kulkarni. Pooja Kulkarni is from University of Mumbai. I have picked this Excel sheet from her website. Also subscribe to the website named Nikita Ghodke if you don't want to miss any crucial updates. There is a list of all the Indian labs and the lab name PI, that is profile investigator if I'm not wrong. These are the links where you can check out, and you can also mail the professors. It includes all the IITs, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, and also some of the renowned institutions such as Defense Institute of Psychological Research, NIMHANS, LSR, and University of Calcutta. The number two opportunity in psychology is to attend the conferences of some of the famous and renowned universities like Harvard University. Harvard University has the conference named HPAIR, that is Harvard College Project for Asian and International Relations. So this is the website. You can apply now. You can also log in over here. Since I have already logged in, I have also subscribed this website so that if any deadlines or dates are put over here, I can be updated. So yes, this was it. And if you want to know more about HPAIR, you can go to this YouTube video and the link is in the description.